This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have permissions and the app updated. Now open the chat with the voice note. Tap and hold the voice message to reveal options. Once done, look for the 3 dots or share icon. Choose transcribe if visible or tap share and pick your transcription app. Make sure to grant microphone access to that app the first time. You're starting the process immediately, so don't navigate away. Stay on the message until the transcription handoff completes. You can use WhatsApp's built-in option when present because it's fastest and keeps privacy within the app. If you need higher accuracy, share the clip to a trusted speech-to-text app or a shortcut that sends audio to your cloud service. Make sure to set the correct language, and if available, change playback speed to slow for clearer parsing. Once you select the method, start the transcription and watch for on-screen progress. This is the core execution step for best results. You should read through the generated text and correct misheard phrases right away. Accuracy matters. Once satisfied, save or export the transcript to notes, email, or your preferred cloud folder. If the transcription is poor, try replaying the message at reduced speed, move to a quieter device, or request the sender to re-record with clearer enunciation. A key troubleshooting tip: if nothing transcribes, confirm permissions and internet access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.